0.501 gram of silver is dissolved in concentrated nitric acid, then added by dilute hydrochloric acid solution. AgCl so formed weighed 0.6655 grams. Calculate the equivalent mass of silver. This is the question. Equivalent mass of silver we have to find. Calculate the equivalent mass of silver. Now you see here Ag is 0.501 grams, giving you AgCl 0.6655 by sequential of reactions. Let us see. Ag is reacted. Ag is dissolved in nitric acid. So after reacting with nitric acid, it forms AgNO3. After treating with HCl, it forms AgCl. So in the entire process, your Ag is converting into AgCl. Number of equivalents of Ag and number of equivalents of AgCl are equal. According to law of chemical equivalence, this should be equal. So now how can I write? Weight by equivalent weight of Ag should be equals to weight by equivalent weight of AgCl. Or we can also go with another approach. If I am going to take this particular one, Ag is converting into AgCl. If 0.501 grams of Ag is converting into 0.6655 grams of AgCl, then how much chlorine is required? How much chlorine is required to do this particular one? If I take here law of conservation of mass, this will be 0.1645 grams. So sum of these two should be equal to this value. Sum of these two should be equal to this value, law of conservation of mass. So taking that into consideration, I can take weight by equivalent weight of silver is equals to weight by equivalent weight of chlorine. If I am substituting the data in this, 0.501 by equivalent weight of silver is equals to 0.1645 by 35.5. Substituting this, EAG is equals to, we get 0.501 into 35.5 by 0.1645, which is equals to 108.118 somewhere grams will be getting. So your answer for equivalent weight of silver is 108.11. This is the equivalent weight of silver.